See the people walking down the street, going line just watching their feet. They don't know where they're gonna go, but they're walking in time. They got the beat, they got the beat, they got the beat. Yeah, they got it. A, playing the A chord. Goes on for the whole verse. D, G, F, C, back to A. I was playing, well, you could play this for the F chord if you don't play F bar chord. So that would sound, with the F chord, it would sound like, they got the beat, they got the beat, they got the beat. Sounds fine. Alright, the other way you can play it is with power chords. Playing the 5 on the low E, and then 7/7, or just 7 if you want. D is at the 5 also. G, F, works that way quite well. Yeah, so the beat is 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and that's the beat of each measure. And when you're playing the muted A part, you play 1 and then 2 and 3 and 4 and is muted. 4 and 3 and 4 and then that's just 1, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 2, 2, 3 and 4, 3, 2, 3 and 4, 4, 2, 3 and 4, just up, down. Right, but I would recommend you get that muted scratch or chunk, because otherwise it's very difficult to keep time. Right, and then the guitar solo is kind of like a surf guitar. Starts on the so I'll play it on 5 and 7 for the first part. Start on the A string, go to the D, go to the G, 7 on the G, back to 5, go to the A string. Then we just move it up and play the same thing 1 fret above it. So that's a fun song. It's got some easy chords, so have fun playing that. Thanks for watching. Bye.